Hey everybody, it's Sarah from the Frugal Bear, and we are going to quickly whip up a cherry dump cake. And it's a super simple, quick, easy, really can't screw this up type recipe. And we are going to we're going to do a cherry dump cake, and we like to have pineapple in there. And normally I would use a can of crushed pineapple, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just took some pineapple chunks, threw them in my little bullet deal. It's not a bullet, it's a different variety of that. So we're just going to take this little slurry here, we're going to dump it right into there, and we just used the juice and everything when we were dumping that in there. So we're just going to spread that around just like so. We have our oven preheating at 350 degrees. I like a lot of cherry, so we're using a 30-ounce can. I have also done this recipe without pineapple, and then I usually add just another 20-ounce can of cherries to this. I had a co-worker that didn't like pineapple, so I would always make this without pineapple for her. She's not where I work anymore, so we're just going to spread this around. And you know what? We might actually squeeze in another can of cherries just because I really like cherry. Yeah, let's do that. We're going to grab another can of cherries. Hold on one second. I have the cherries, so I might as well use them. I did use one can the other day using up some puff pastry that I had, so I just made some cherry hand pies. Actually, come to think of it, it was yesterday. Boy, it's been a very long weekend, and I don't know why. I, of course, did not get everything done that I wanted to, but I never do. But with my son being sick, it didn't really help. But he has been fever-free all day, so that is a bonus. Okay, we'll wash out those cans. Wipe up this mess. Okay, now next we need just a cake mix. Just any cake mix. I've never tried it with chocolate. I've always done just a white cake or a yellow cake. I prefer white. I don't know. It's just my preference. So we're just going to take this and we're just going to sprinkle it all over. All over. Evenly sprinkle. Sprinkle. This is why it's called a dump cake. You just dump. There's no easier dessert to make than this right here. There it is. I'm just going to, oops, sorry, spread it out just a little bit, just to make it even. Even and purty. There, our oven is preheated. Just like that. My husband is itching to get back into the kitchen here because he's utilizing leftovers tonight, and he is making his famous egg rolls, but they're not egg rolls. to just use egg roll wrappers. We have some leftover buffalo chicken that he had made, and we also have leftover taco meat. So he takes that stuff and he puts them in an egg roll wrapper, just like you would an egg roll, just the meat, wraps them up, throws them in his air fryer Ninja Foodie thing, and they're delicious. They're I don't know, you'd have to come over to my house and have him make them for you because they are to die for. You can probably still hear the jelly popping over there. I'm going to grab some butter out of the fridge. And I'm going to just cut some pats in our butter. And I'm using unsalted butter, if that even matters to you. And you can melt your butter and drizzle it over your cake. I like to eliminate steps whenever possible. It's going to heat up. It's going to melt on its own. I don't feel the need to drizzle anything. I just cut it up and put it on. Okay. Let's stick our nuts and stuff on first. We have some sliced almonds here. You can do walnuts if you want, if you prefer. I like almonds. I would tend to have almonds on hand because I love almonds in my coffee ice cream. Almonds and a little bit of caramel. Okay. I use about half a cup to a cup. It's all preference. Like I said, easy, easy. I have some sweetened coconut flakes here. Just sprinkling. You don't have to use the coconut flakes. I just think it gives it another layer of flavor, and I really enjoy it. And I'm a fan of coconut. I like coconut. So, there we go. Once again, not a lot, just enough. We're going to take our little pats of butter and just place them around. We want to make sure that butter gets everywhere. Just like so. And we're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, which, like I said, is already preheated. You heard it beep. And we're going to bake this for 55 to 60 minutes, or until golden, bubbly deliciousness. Da 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 da. There we go. Wipe my hands quick. And we're going to pop this in the oven. I'm going to clean up my mess. And then we'll come back and show you the final product. Here it is, guys, our finished dump cake. This is the cherry and pineapple. It was 55 minutes at 350 degrees. Just took this out of the oven so it is nice and hot. So let's just look at that. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? It's still steaming hot, straight from the oven. Perfect. Thanks. Bye.